Here, wipe. Here you go. Wipe. Finished? Okay. Keep painting. Keep painting. What colors do you have there? I like your technique with the two brushes. That's something. Your paint mixing too is good. Color mixing. Look at you. Just like your mom.
Do you paint?
No, but her grandma does.
Does she?
Yeah, your grandma paints. Your grandma's painting a picture of you right now.
Really?
You want me to wipe that off, sweetie?